Write the additive inverse of each of the following. Additive inverse or opposite means the number which is standing on the same distance from 0 but on the other direction. So that to get the additive inverse of any number, I write the same number but in opposite sign. If it is negative, you will make it positive, and if it is positive, you will make it negative. So the additive inverse of 5 is negative 5. Additive inverse of negative 12, I write 12 as it is, but in positive side. Additive inverse of 0 is 0 because 0 is non-positive, non-negative. So the additive inverse of 0 is 0 also because 0 is origin. Additive inverse of negative 10 is 10 but in positive side. Question 3, arrange in an ascending order. Ascending means from the small to big. So letter A, 7 and 3 tenths, negative 2 and 7 tenths, absolute value of 6 and 7 tenths, negative 4 and 8 tenths, absolute value of negative 1 and 5 tenths. To arrange these values from the smallest number, first I can talk with any number unless it's get out from the absolute value. Then reread the question again. So 6 and 7 tenths out of the absolute value is gonna be 6 and 7 tenths, and negative 1 and 5 tenths out of the absolute value, it will be 1 and 5 tenths. Now let's arrange the values I have from the smallest one. This is positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. The smallest one will be one of these two negative values. Let's first underline the whole or make a circle around the whole. I have here negative 2 in the whole, negative 4 in the whole. So which is less? In negative I do the opposite. So I'll say that negative 4.8 is less than negative 2.7. Now I wrote the two negative values. Let's compare between the positive numbers. I have here 7 in whole, 6 in whole, 1 in whole. So the number which has 1 in whole is less than 6 or 7. 6 in whole is less, so it will be 6 and 7 tenths. And the biggest one or the greatest one will be 7 and 3 tenths. It will be the greatest one.